Hello and welcome. Now that you already know everything about MQTT, we can use any website provider that have MQTT enabled, and we have this one, for example, MyQTT Hub. Start now your Internet of Things project with MQTT. All what you need to do is simply write your email address, the username that you want, and write a password. Accept their terms and conditions and sign up with their open or plan open. And as you can see here, the open plan, you can create 100 users. The maximum number of connection is 50, and you have 10 megabytes of storage space, and it's for free. So it's a good thing to start with. And this is their website, myqtthub.com. I will add the resources of this lecture. Click sign up with plan open. Okay, username is not defined. Again, sign up. Now, register request received, only confirmation remains, so click accept. Now you need to go to your email address. Let me open up my email to show you the confirmation message. It usually has a link that you have to click on so that you can use their service, and this is it. This is the email. You can simply click here. Wait, account verification success. Please now wait until we review your account details to enable it. Now it will take some time for them to enable our account after reviewing our details, and they will usually send us another email address, as you can see. Now we can log in using the details that we have provided. Click to log in. Okay, wrong password. Let me check. Okay, now once you write your username and password, you will get to see this dashboard, and as you can see, this is the client ID and the domain admin. This is our username and it's active, and these are the main properties for our MQTT hub. Now you can simply add a device by clicking here. You can add a client ID. Let's call it ESP32. Click add device, and as you can see, you can add up to 10 devices.